Hey brothers, while browsing the internet, I noticed a common mistake that a lot of men make: shaving incorrectly. If your face gets irritated, breaks out, or hurts after shaving, you're doing it wrong. Honestly, your shaving routine is probably terrible. If you're like most guys, you're making tons of mistakes that lead to a bad shave. But don't worry, as manipulation pioneers, we're here to teach you how to shave like real men with real style in this video. Mistake number 1, not preparing your beard. Shaving dry, rough facial hair is great if you love pain. Softer hair is much easier to cut and is a key to a great shave. But a lot of men just splash some water on their face and start shaving. You need heat, moisture, and a bit of time. A better option is to press a hot, wet towel on your face for 2 minutes to soften your beard. Or even better, shave after a hot shower. Trust me, it'll make a huge difference. Give it a try at least once, my friends. Mistake number 2, skipping pre-shave oil. The key to avoiding razor burn and bumps is a smooth shave. The lubrication layer that protects your skin is crucial. But for sensitive skin, it's not always enough. Try applying pre-shave oil before your shaving cream. This extra layer adds more lubrication and protection, giving you an incredibly smooth shave. Mistake number 3, using shaving cream from a can. Most guys default to using canned shaving cream because it's quick and easy, but it's actually bad for your skin. Canned shaving cream is full of harmful chemicals like propane that dry out your skin. Instead, use a cream, gel, or soap with natural ingredients that nourish your skin. Your face will thank you. Mistake number 4, not using a shaving brush. Sure, you can use your hands to apply shaving cream, but a brush is much more effective. It creates a richer lather and applies the cream better, lifting each hair for an easier cut. A boar bristle brush is the cheapest option and works well, but a nice badger or synthetic brush will feel softer and more luxurious. Mistake number 5, using a dull razor. You wouldn't try to cut down a tree with a dull axe, would you? A sharp tool makes the job much easier. There are many types of razors out there: electric, cartridge, safety, straight. Choose what suits your needs, but the key is to keep them sharp. Most razors are good for about 5 shaves before they need to be replaced. Electric razors need blade replacements about every 12 months. Mistake number 6, using long strokes. If you want a smooth shave, you should shave every 3 days and adjust your skincare routine accordingly. Alternatively, don't cut your beard longer than 1 to 5 inches until your skin gets used to your beard style. Mistake number 7, pressing too hard. I know you think you need to press hard to get a close shave, but don't. A light touch is all you need. Let the weight of the razor do the work. Pressing hard only increases the chance of cutting yourself. Mistake number 8, going over the same spot repeatedly. This can cause serious irritation. You can gently shave a spot again while your shaving cream is still on, but it still might irritate your skin. Only do this in a hurry or if your friend's mom is coming in for a cheek kiss. Haha. Mistake number 9, ignoring the grain of your hair. Most of you probably don't even know what shaving with the grain means. Your facial hair grows in different directions. Shaving with the grain is easier because the hair cuts more smoothly. Shaving against the grain gives a closer cut, but increases the chance of nicks. For your first pass, always shave with the grain. If you want a closer shave, reapply shaving cream and go against the grain on the second pass. Mistake number 10, forgetting aftershave. It's crucial to soothe and refresh your skin after shaving. There are 2 main types: aftershave lotion and aftershave balm. Lotions are old school and usually contain alcohol, which is great for cleaning cuts but can dry out your skin. Balms, on the other hand, clean cuts and moisturize your skin. Guys, let me know in the comments which of these mistakes you're making. Now you know what to avoid while shaving. If you like this video, I can make more about personal grooming, like proper toothbrushing techniques or how to determine your correct hair type. Please let me know in the comments and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.